Today we will learn to rationalize the denominator. So you can give the heading rationalize the denominator. Right? To rationalize the denominator means what? In denominator, whichever irrational number is given, that you have to remove. Let's start with example. Let's take one simple one, that is 1 upon root 2. Now see, root 2 is an irrational number. So multiply with the same denominator in both numerator and denominator. That is 1 upon root 2 multiply by root 2 upon root 2. Right? Now 1 into root 2, that comes root 2. Then root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 square. Now here 1 into root 2, that is root 2 upon root 2 square, that is 2. Now see, here the denominator is 2 and here it was root 2. So you have made the irrational number into rational numbers, that is the rationalization of denominator. Let's take another example. Let's take 1 upon root 7 minus root 5. Now multiply with the same denominator but with the opposite sign in both numerator and denominator. So here we will write 1 upon root 7 minus root 5 multiply by root 7 plus root 5 divide by with the same, that is root 7 plus root 5. Right? Now here 1 into root 7 plus root 5, that is 1 multiply by root 7 plus root 5 whole divide by, now see, root 7 minus root 5 multiply by root 7 plus root 5, that is a minus b and a plus b. So here will come root 7 square minus root 5 square. Now 1 into entire bracket, that is root 7 plus root 5 divide by root 7 square, that is 7 minus root 5 square, that is 5. So root 7 plus root 5 divide by 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now see here the denominator, it comes rational number, that is 2, and here it was root 7 minus root 5. Right? Now let's take one more sum, that is 5 divide by root 5 minus root 3. Right? Now doesn't matter whatever the numerator is given, we just have to see the denominator. Now with the same but with the opposite sign. So 5 divide by root 5 minus root 3 multiply by root 5 plus root 3 whole divide by root 5 plus root 3. Right? Now is equal to 5 into bracket root 5 plus root 3 whole divide by root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3, that is root 5 square minus root 3 square is equal to 5 into root 5, 5 root 5 plus 5 into root 3, 5 root 3 whole divide by 5 square root 5 square, that is 5 minus root 3 square, that is 3. Right? Is equal to 5 root 5 minus 5 root 3 whole divide by 5 minus 3, that is 2. So this is your answer. Let's take one more example, that is 1 upon 2 plus root 3, right? So as I said, with the same denominator but with opposite sign, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So we will write 1 upon 2 plus root 3 multiply by 2 minus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 in denominator. Now 1 multiply by 2 minus root 3 whole divided by a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So here 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Now here 2 minus root 3 divide by 2 square, that is 4, minus root 3 square, that is 3. So 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 comes 1. So in denominator 1, if you are not writing even, then it is okay. So answer will be 2 minus root 3. Let's take one more sum, that is 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Now see this, 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2, right? As I said, with the same but with opposite sign, that is 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2 multiply by 7 minus 3 root 2 divide by 7 minus 3 root 2, right? Next 1 multiply by this 7 minus 3 root 2 whole divide by, now see, 7 plus 3 root 2 into 7 minus 3 root 2, that is a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So here 7 square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Now here 1 multiply by this entire bracket. So 7 minus 3 root 2 whole divide by 7 square, that is 49, minus here 3 square, that is 9, multiply by root 2 square, that is 2, right? Again I am repeating, it is 3 into root 2 whole square, that means 3 square multiply by root 2 square. So 3 square comes 9 and root 2 square comes 2, right? So 7 minus 3 root 2 divide by 49 minus 9 to the 18 is equal to 7 minus 3 root 2 divide by 49 minus 18, that comes 31. So this is your answer.